Hey guys! In today's video, we'll create this beautiful and elegant wedding card design from scratch using Canva and AI. So, let's begin. First, open ChatGPT. We'll use this prompt for our design. Here, we set 5:7 aspect ratio to match with our standard wedding card size. Copy this entire prompt. Select Create Image. Paste it into ChatGPT. Click on the arrow to generate your image. Now, download this design. Next, open Canva. Click on Custom Size. Change the units to inches. Set the size to 5:7. Go to Uploads. Click on Upload Files. Upload the downloaded image. Add it to the canvas. Expand it to the background. Next, go to Text and add a heading. Type Save the Date. Go to Font. Search Knockout Welterweight. Choose the bold font. Change the font size to 12. Make it uppercase. Go to Color. Change its color to match the background frame. After this, go to Elements. Search Floral Text Divider. Go to the Graphics section. Choose this one. Place it below the text. Change its color to match the text. Add a new heading. Type the name. Go to Font. Search Great Vibes. Choose this font. Change the font size to 30. Change its color. Duplicate it and type the second name. Go to Elements and search Wedding Rings. Go to the Photos section. We'll choose this PNG image. Place it between the text. After this, go to Elements. Search Text Divider Line. Go to Graphics. Choose this one. Place it below the text. Change its color. Next, add a heading. Type the date. Choose the Knockout Welterweight bold font. Change the font size to 12. Change its color. Duplicate the divider and add it below. Duplicate the text and add the venue. Change its color. Make it uppercase. Now, add the address. Choose the Knockout Welterweight regular font. Change the font size to 10. Adjust its size and position. After this, go to Elements. Search Golden Honeycomb Pattern. Go to Graphics. Add this one. Adjust its size and position like us. Reduce its transparency to 75. Then place it behind all the elements. Our wedding card design is ready. Let's zoom in. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.